Imagine waking up every morning, not to the sound of traffic or a neighbor's lawnmower, but to birdsong and the soft rustle of trees just beyond your floor-to-ceiling windows. No curtains needed, because the only thing watching you is nature itself. That is the promise of the modern forest house in 2026, and it is no longer just a fantasy for the ultra-wealthy. It is becoming one of the most desirable and achievable residential concepts of our time. But here's what nobody tells you. Building a home in the woods is not as simple as picking a beautiful plot of land and calling an architect. There are real design decisions, material choices, cost realities, and sustainability principles that will make or break your forest dream. And that is exactly what we are covering in this video, from the ground up. If you are new here, welcome to Affordable Homes and Plans, where we break down real home design and building strategies with honesty and no fluff. Hit that subscribe button right now and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. And stay with us until the very end of this one, because we are going to walk through every major element of the 2026 modern forest house, including design, materials, costs, sustainability, interior trends, and the key mistakes you need to avoid before you ever break ground. What is the 2026 modern forest house, and why is it trending? Let us start at the beginning. What exactly do we mean when we say a modern forest house? We are not talking about a rustic log cabin with a fireplace and a rocking chair, although there is nothing wrong with that. We are talking about a home that is architecturally intentional, one that uses contemporary design principles to sit beautifully within a forested setting without dominating or destroying it. The goal is harmony, not conquest. In 2026, this style of home is surging in popularity for a very specific reason. After years of minimalist interiors in sterile white and cold gray, homeowners and designers across the United States, Canada, the UK, and Australia are collectively pushing back. The design world has shifted dramatically toward what industry experts are now calling biophilic and earth-rooted living. The idea is simple. Our brains are biologically wired to seek connection with nature, and when our homes are filled with nothing but flat, man-made surfaces and cool-toned walls, we feel it. Something is off. Something is missing. The 2026 modern forest house answers that call directly. It puts nature back at the center of the home, not as decoration, but as a fundamental part of the architecture itself. The exterior. How a forest house looks from the outside. The exterior of a modern forest house in 2026 is all about one thing: belonging. The home should look like it grew there. That principle drives every design decision on the outside, from the roofline to the cladding to the color palette. One of the most dominant exterior trends right now is the use of mixed materials rather than a single dominant surface. The overused black and white combination that defined the last several years is fading fast. In its place, designers are layering natural wood panels, dark stone accents, weathered steel, and occasionally fiber cement board to create an exterior that is rich, textured, and grounded. The result is a home with what designers call lasting curb appeal, meaning it will not look dated in 5 years the way trend-chasing color combinations often do. For forest settings specifically, dark exteriors are popular precisely because they help the home recede into the landscape rather than stand out from it. Think deep charcoal, forest green, and rich brown tones on the outer shell, paired with natural timber accents on decks, overhangs, and window surrounds. The goal is for the house to feel like a shadow within the trees, present but not aggressive. Rooflines in 2026 modern forest homes tend toward simplicity. Long, low-slope or flat roofs with dramatic overhangs are common, particularly because those overhangs serve a dual purpose. They provide shade and protect the home from rainfall and debris falling from the tree canopy above. Some designs incorporate green or living roofs, which support small plants and grasses and help the building literally blend into the forest floor visually. Large windows and expansive glazing are non-negotiable in the forest house typology. The entire point of building in the woods is the view, and modern forest homes maximize that connection through floor-to-ceiling glass, corner windows, and large sliding or folding doors that open the interior directly to the landscape. This indoor-outdoor connection is one of the most consistent design principles driving residential architecture in 2026 across every style, but it reaches its highest expression in the forest home. The structure. What to build within the woods. Material selection for a forest house is both a design question and an ethical one. What you build with determines how the home feels, how long it lasts, and what kind of impact it has on the landscape it inhabits. Wood is the undisputed primary material for modern forest homes, and in 2026 that is backed by more than aesthetics. Research consistently shows that wood outperforms concrete and steel on greenhouse gas emissions, energy consumption, and air pollution across the full life cycle of a building. When you build with responsibly sourced timber, you are not just creating a beautiful home. You are actively storing carbon within the walls of your house for the life of the structure. The benchmark standard for structural timber in high-quality modern forest homes right now is cross-laminated timber, or CLT. This engineered wood product is made by layering solid wood panels in alternating directions and bonding them together. The result is a building material with exceptional strength, dimensional stability, and a stunning natural finish that can be left exposed on interior walls and ceilings. From a cost perspective, CLT does carry a higher per unit price than standard framing lumber, but builders consistently report that labor costs drop significantly because the material goes together faster and requires fewer workers on site. Beyond CLT, reclaimed and recycled wood is gaining serious momentum in 2026. Wood salvaged from old barns, warehouses, and industrial buildings carries a texture and character that no new material can replicate, and using it eliminates the need for fresh logging. If you can source reclaimed timber locally, you reduce transportation emissions and add genuine regional character to your home. For homes positioned in dense forest, fire resistance is a real consideration that responsible builders take seriously. In those cases, combining wood structural elements with fiber cement siding on exposed exterior faces offers both the visual warmth of a natural material palette and meaningful fire protection. The floor plan. How space flows in a forest house. One of the things that makes the modern forest house so compelling is that the floor plan is not just about square footage. It is about relationship. How does the living space relate to the trees? How does the kitchen connect to the outdoor dining deck? Which rooms earn the best views? And how do you move through the home with a sense of discovery? In 2026, the most thoughtful forest home floor plans are right-sized rather than oversized. The data from house plan sales over the past year confirms that smaller, smarter plans in the range of 1,000 to 2,000 square feet are among the strongest performers. People are no longer trying to impress with scale. They want quality of space, flexibility, and a strong connection between inside and outside. Open-plan living areas remain dominant, but 2026 brings a more nuanced version of the open concept. Rather than one undifferentiated box, good forest home plans use architectural elements like exposed beams, dropped ceiling sections, changes in floor material, and built-in furniture to define distinct zones within the open floor. You feel the separation between cooking, dining, and living areas without needing walls to create it. The primary bedroom in a modern forest house almost always prioritizes the best view on the site. A floor-to-ceiling window or glass doors leading to a private deck from the bedroom is not a luxury in this building type. It is the whole point. Waking up with the forest directly in your sightline is the experience the architecture is designed to deliver. Flex rooms and multipurpose spaces are also a defining feature of 2026 floor plans. A bonus room that serves as a home office today can become a guest room next year, or a hobby space the year after that. This adaptability allows the home to serve the household across different life stages without requiring expensive renovations. The interior. How a forest house feels inside. Step inside a well-designed modern forest house in 2026 and the first thing you notice is warmth. Not temperature warmth, although good insulation handles that, but visual and sensory warmth. The cold gray era of interior design is emphatically over. The palette of the 2026 forest home interior starts with the floors. Rich hardwood and honey, deep oak, or chestnut tones replaces the distressed gray finishes that dominated the past decade. These warm floor tones become the foundation for everything else in the room. Walls shift from stark white toward muted greens, terracotta, and soft creamy off-whites that echo the colors of the landscape just beyond the glass. Designers are increasingly treating sage, olive, forest green, and deep earthy greens as neutral tones in their own right, using them in cabinetry, tilework, upholstery, and stone surfaces. Wood continues as the interior hero material. In 2026, designers and homeowners are leaning into what some publications are already calling wood drenching, the practice of carrying timber surfaces across walls, ceilings, furniture, and cabinetry to create an immersive, enveloping sense of being inside the forest rather than simply looking at it. Exposed CLT ceilings and wall panels are a signature feature of the style, and when done well they are extraordinary. Lighting in a forest home requires specific thought. Many modern homes default to cool white bulbs that make gray surfaces look even more clinical. In a forest house, warm-toned lighting that mimics filtered, dappled natural light is a correct approach. Pendant fixtures made from rattan, woven natural fibers, or raw metal work beautifully in these spaces because they cast soft, organic shadow patterns that enhance the biophilic atmosphere. The goal is for the light inside to feel like it is coming through a canopy. Kitchens in 2026 forest homes feature natural stone countertops or engineered stone with recycled content, warm wood cabinet fronts, and earthy tile in terracotta, sage, or deep clay tones. The kitchen is no longer a sterile workspace. It is a room that feels like an extension of the landscape itself. Bathrooms follow the same logic. Natural stone, warm timber accents, large windows positioned for privacy while framing the tree line, and freestanding soaking tubs placed to take advantage of the view are all signature elements of the forest home bathroom in 2026. The outdoor spaces, extending the home into the forest. No modern forest house is complete without thoughtfully designed outdoor living areas, and in 2026 these spaces are being treated with the same level of intentionality as the interior. Wraparound or cantilevered decks built from sustainably sourced hardwood or composite decking that mimics wood grain are essential. These decks create the transition zone between the interior and the forest, places to sit with coffee in the morning, eat dinner in the evening, or simply be still. The best designs position these decks so they reach into the tree canopy, giving occupants the sensation of being suspended within the forest rather than simply adjacent to it. Outdoor kitchens have become a defining feature of premium forest home designs. The 2026 version includes grills, prep counters, integrated refrigeration, and sometimes even pizza ovens and pass-through windows from the interior kitchen. The message is clear. Entertaining outdoors is no longer a backup plan for good weather. It is a first-choice lifestyle. Color in outdoor spaces has shifted toward richness and personality. Deep blues, burnt orange, olive green, and forest green are appearing in cushions, planters, outdoor rugs, and painted furniture. These bold accents layer beautifully against the neutral stone and timber structures and create spaces that feel curated rather than generic. Vertical gardens, privacy plantings, and green walls are all trending in outdoor design for forest homes in 2026, primarily because they allow homeowners to enhance the density and lushness of the surrounding greenery without disrupting the existing landscape. Sustainability. Building in the forest without harming it. This section matters, and we want to be direct about it. Building a home in a forested area carries real environmental responsibility. The design choices you make determine whether your home is a net positive or a net negative for the landscape it occupies. The first principle is to cut as few trees as possible. Some of the most compelling modern forest homes ever built were designed around existing tree trunks, incorporating them into the architecture rather than removing them. The house adapts to the forest, not the other way around. This requires a skilled architect and a thorough site survey, but it produces homes of extraordinary character. Choosing FSC-certified timber, which stands for Forest Stewardship Council, ensures that the wood in your home came from forests managed to preserve biodiversity and support sustainable harvesting cycles. This is not a box-ticking exercise. It is a meaningful supply chain choice that supports responsible forestry practices at scale. Solar integration is increasingly standard in forest homes, though it requires careful site planning because tree canopy can significantly limit solar access. A proper energy audit and sun path analysis should be part of every forest home design process. For sites where rooftop solar is limited by shade, small wind turbines or microhydro systems can sometimes serve as alternatives, depending on the terrain. Rainwater collection, greywater recycling, and composting systems are all part of the Sustainable Forest Home Toolkit and are increasingly accessible and affordable for residential construction. An eco-friendly home built to current standard can reduce its household carbon emissions by 2 to 5 tons annually compared to a conventional equivalent, while saving homeowners between $1,800 and $3,200 per year in energy costs. The fundamental choice to build with wood rather than concrete or steel is itself one of the most impactful sustainability decisions you can make. Wood outperforms both materials on embodied carbon, energy use, and air pollution. Maximizing wood use in residential construction has been estimated to remove the equivalent of millions of tons of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere annually if adopted broadly across the industry. What does a modern forest house cost in 2026? We are not going to give you a single number here, because that would be misleading. The honest answer is that cost depends on location, size, site conditions, and finish level. What we can tell you is that for most homeowners in 2026, a realistic construction budget of between $150 and $250 per square foot represents a well-built, thoughtfully designed home. At the lower end of that range, you are working with quality materials and good design but limited custom detailing. At the higher end, you are getting exposed CLT, premium glazing systems, custom millwork, and high-performance building envelopes. For a forest home specifically, there are additional costs that suburban or urban builds do not face. Site preparation in wooded terrain is more complex and expensive than building on a clear, flat lot. Access roads, well drilling, and septic systems add significant cost on rural forested properties that are not connected to municipal infrastructure. These costs can easily add $30,000 to $60,000 to your total project budget, sometimes more, depending on terrain. The finishing stage of construction, which includes flooring, cabinetry, fixtures, and surface treatments, typically consumes between 25% and 30% of the total build budget. In a forest home where the quality of materials is central to the design concept, this is not the place to cut corners. The character of the home lives in those details. Eco-friendly construction typically costs 9 to 18% more upfront than conventional building. That premium is real. But the long-term returns through energy savings, lower maintenance costs, higher resale value, and the daily quality of life that comes from living in a home built with integrity are genuinely significant. Key mistakes to avoid when building a forest house. We promised you the full picture, so here are the honest warnings. Do not underestimate the site. Forested sites are beautiful and complex. Slope, drainage, soil stability, tree root systems, fire risk, and access all have to be evaluated by professionals before you commit to a design. Many expensive mistakes in forest home projects trace back to inadequate site analysis at the beginning. Do not let the view drive every window decision. Yes, glazing is essential to the forest house experience. But oversized, poorly specified windows can create significant heat loss in cold climates and overheating in warmer ones. High-performance triple-pane glass and properly designed overhangs to control seasonal sun angles are worth every penny of their additional cost. Do not use design that depends on devices rather than spatial intelligence. Some of the most respected architects working in this space are explicit about this. When a home relies on technology to manufacture its atmosphere and identity, it tends to age poorly and lose its connection to the landscape. The best forest homes are comfortable because they are well designed, not because they are full of gadgets. Do not skip the disclosure. If any builder, manufacturer, or brand has supported this video financially, we tell you. If they have not, we tell you that too. Everything you have heard in this video is independent editorial content. Nobody paid us to recommend any material, product, or design approach. That is how we operate on this channel. The modern forest house in 2026 represents something genuinely beautiful. A design philosophy that says our homes can be sophisticated, comfortable, and technologically current while also being honest about where they sit, within a natural landscape that deserves respect. Whether you are planning to build, dreaming about it, or simply fascinated by great residential design, we hope this video gave you something real and useful. If it did, please give it a thumbs up because it genuinely helps this channel reach more people who care about these topics. Drop your questions in the comments. We read them and we respond. Subscribe if you have not already, and we will see you in the next one.